What if the first 10 minutes of your day could shape your entire future? Successful people don't just have strong habits, they have powerful morning routines, because how you start your day often shapes how you live your life. In this video, we'll show you how to build a science-backed morning routine that boosts happiness, focus, and momentum, even if you're not a morning person. Most of us wake up and immediately check our phone. We dive into emails, scroll social media, and absorb stress before we even get out of bed. That puts your brain into reactive mode, not creative mode. You spend the rest of the day responding to problems instead of building your future. And over time, those rushed, scattered mornings drain your energy, reduce your motivation, and keep you stuck. But there's a better way, and it starts before breakfast. Your brain is most impressionable right after waking up. That's when your prefrontal cortex, the part that controls decision-making and focus, starts warming up. This is a perfect window to set your intentions, calm your nervous system, and activate your dopamine pathways, the reward system that drives motivation. Even just 10 to 20 intentional minutes each morning can reduce anxiety, improve focus, increase productivity, boost overall life satisfaction. It's not about doing more, it's about doing the right things in the right order. Let's break it down. Step 1. Don't check your phone for 30 minutes. Give your mind time to wake before information overload. Use this time to be intentional, not reactive. Step 2. Make it mindful. Spend 1 to 5 minutes in silence, breathe, stretch, or sit still. Meditate, do breathwork, or enjoy a warm drink by the window. Step 3. Gratitude or journaling. Write 3 things you're grateful for, or do a short morning pages journal, 1 page of whatever's on your mind. This activates your brain's positive filter, looking for what's going well. Step 4. Set 1 priority goal. What's the most important thing you want to accomplish today? Write it down, say it out loud. When the day gets noisy, this keeps your brain on track. No more overwhelming to-do lists. Step 5. Move your body, even briefly. Stretch, walk, or do a few push-ups. This boosts dopamine, the chemical tied to motivation and joy. You don't need a gym session, just signal, I'm awake, I'm moving forward. Bonus tips. Start small. Your first routine might only take 10 minutes, and that's perfect. Stack habits. After brushing teeth, I write 1 goal. Prepare the night before. Set out your journal, water or shoes, reduce friction. Consistency beats perfection. Even 4 days a week can change everything. In the last video, you learned how identity shapes your habits. Now you've built a morning routine that reinforces that identity. Next up, we'll show you how to stop the comparison trap and why you always feel behind. What's one part of your new morning routine? Let us know in the comments. You'll find a link to the Morning Routine Toolkit, a checklist and habit tracker to help you stay consistent. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Start your next morning with purpose.